Hello children, let's start with the question number 9, miscellaneous exercise. Now y is equal to sin x minus cos x raised to sin x minus cos x. So apply log on both the sides. So log y is equal to log sin x minus cos x raised to sin x minus cos x. It will come in multiplication. So log y is equal to sin x minus cos x into log sin x minus cos x. So derivative with respect to x, y, log y is 1 upon y divided by dx. Then we'll keep this as a constant, sin x minus cos x constant, and we'll take the derivative of log sin x minus cos x, which is 1 upon sin x minus cos x into, okay, again we have to take the derivative of these things. This is a continuous chain reaction. So derivative of d by dx of sin x minus cos x plus, now this time we'll keep log sin x minus cos x constant. We'll take the derivative of sin x minus cos x. So this will cancel out. Okay, so we'll get 1, and derivative of sin x is cos x, and cos x derivative is minus sin, so it will be plus sin x plus. Now log, this is a remain as a constant, so log sin x minus cos x, will take the derivative of sin x minus cos x. Sin x is cos x, derivative of minus cos x is minus sin, cos x is minus sin, so minus into minus plus, so it will become plus sin x. Okay, so from these two brackets we can take out common sin x plus cos x plus sin x. So y will go in multiplication, so you get y divided by dx is equal to y into cos x plus sin x in the bracket 1 plus log sin x into cos x. See, substitute the value of y, that is equal to not divided by dx. Here this 2, and this is constant, this is constant. Okay, let's take this part as y, this part as u. This is u. Let u is equal to x raised to x. Okay, so what y will convert it into, y is equal to u x raised to a plus a raised to x plus a raised to a. Now take derivative with respect to x. So log u is equal to x, this all. Okay, understand? We'll take this one first. So log u is equal to x log x. So derivative of log u is what? 1 upon u du by dx is equal to x as a constant, derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus, now this time log x as a constant, derivative of x is 1. Is it? So log x. Okay, this will cancel out. You'll get 1 plus log x, and u will come in multiplication to du by dx. You'll get as u is equal to 1 plus log x. Is it? So du by dx is equal to, what do you get? Substitute the value of u, you'll get x raised to x. So du by dx is equal to, what do you get? X raised to x, 1 plus log x. This is, consider this as a. Now take the derivative of remaining. You have taken this as a u, so y is equal to u plus x raised to a raised to x plus a raised to a. Now derivative with respect to x, divided by dx, du by dx, here respect to power, so a, x raised to a minus 1, that again respect to power a x. Okay, what is a raised to x? Ax log a plus a raised to a is 0. Okay, so what you get? Dy by dx is equal to du by dx a into x raised to a minus 1 plus a raised to x log a. This is b. Okay, substitute the value of here a and b. We will get dy by dx is equal to x raised to x log x log x raised to x in the bracket 1 plus log x plus a into x raised to a minus 1 plus a raised to x log a. Okay, here also you have y is equal to x raised to x square minus 3 and it is x minus 3 raised to x square. So take this as a u, this as a v. So you will get u is equal to x raised to x square minus 3 and v is equal to x minus 3 x minus 3 raised to x square. So y is equal to, so it will be converted in y is equal to u plus v. So derivative with respect to x, what we get, dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx a. So u is equal to x square x raised to x square minus 3. Got it? So log u is equal to x square minus 3 log x. Derivative with respect to x, log u is 1 upon u du by dx is equal to x square minus 3 log x. Derivative is 1 upon x plus log x constant. We'll take derivative of this one. What do you get? 2x minus 3 is constant. Okay. So du by dx is equal to u x square minus 3 upon x plus multiplication, 2x will come in first, so 2x into log x. So substitute the value of u, so du by dx is equal to x raised to x square minus 3, then you'll get x square minus 3 upon x plus 2x into log x. This has, consider this as a b. Now take the derivative of v. V is equal to x minus 3 x raised to square. So log v is equal to x multiplication, x square will come into multiplication, so log v is equal to x square log x minus 3. Derivative with respect to x, log v is equal to 1 upon v du by dx is equal to x square. What is the derivative of log x? Log x minus 3, 1 upon x minus 3 plus, we'll take this as a constant, log x minus 3 into 2x. Okay, derivative of x square is 2x. So we will go in multiplication. So dv by dx is equal to v, multiply here, so x square upon x minus 3 plus 2x into log 3x. Is it? So substitute the value of v. So dv by dx is equal to v x minus 3 raised to x square. This is inside the bracket, it is the same as it is. Now from a, b and c. So from a, b and c, got it? So substitute the value in a. From b and c, take b and c and substitute it in a. So you'll get dy by dx is equal to, what you get, x raised to x square minus 3, okay, in the bracket minus 3 upon x plus 2x into log x plus x minus 3 x square raised to x raised to square, then x square upon x minus 3 plus 2x into log x minus 3. Is it?